Hi everyone, I'm Michaeline DeGioia, CEO of John Paul Mitchell Systems. Remote learning. As a mom of three, I have a lot of experience with this past year, and I can tell you I know firsthand it is not without its challenges, but also not without its benefits. I think one thing that we've learned through this very interesting 12 months is that it works, but it's not the same as being together in person. And it's never going to be the same as being together in person. So let's call it what it is. Remote learning is wonderful because it allows us freedom in our schedule and opportunity to learn at our own pace and in our own time. And that freedom can be very valuable. On the flip side, we miss our people, and there's just nothing like being hands-on with learning. So, as a next step, we believe the best combination will be a hybrid model, combining digital, virtual, and in-person education. Our commitment to education is part of our DNA and centers on programs to expand your knowledge and skills of hair artistry, business systems, and creating a strong salon culture.
Thank you, Michaeline. I can certainly understand the perspective and what you're going through at home in the digital space. Hi, I'm Heather Cottenoy, Director of Education at John Paul Mitchell Systems. We know the industry was built off of that human-to-human interaction and connection. And at John Paul Mitchell Systems, we have a standard of excellence with our education to deliver to you in salon. We'll listen to the specific subject of hair color, hair cutting, barbering, hairstyling, or texture classes that we can deliver on a foundation, advanced, or mastery level. All of these classes will be celebrating the John Paul Mitchell Systems brand you would like to focus on to build your salon business. Classes can be delivered through demo presentations where you'll get to zoom in and hear from our top trainers celebrating these brands and walking you through how to execute this knowledge to build your business behind the chair. When requesting technical hands-on virtual classes, a 60 to 90 minute time frame is ideal to get the deep inside scoop and that technical hands-on approach. The quality of hands-on classes elevates when each stylist can zoom in individually. This will allow the presenter to watch each square on the gallery and have that one-on-one coaching time with all stylists. When stylists can zoom in on their own individual device, this celebrates the power of your name on screen, allowing the presenters to connect with each stylist and celebrate their work. This connection creates an even stronger dynamic of education, catering to that human-to-human interaction that we were all built upon as hairdressers. Virtual education is awesome and can reach so many stylists at one time, which makes it great for cluster classes or workshops. We'll set you up with all of the steps you need to prepare yourself for this virtual class, previewing some of our digital education on Paul Mitchell Pro, such as brand courses, PK modules, or even technical haircut and color videos will help expedite the learning experience so we can cover more in our virtual connection together. Our John Paul Mitchell Systems trainers have certainly elevated their presentation skills and delivering education in a whole new package. If you're waiting to get back to the norm, well, I'm welcoming you to the new normal. The future is hybrid education. We'll continue to offer digital education that has 24/7 access on paulmitchellpro.com, the Paul Mitchell Pro YouTube channel, and on our Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok social pages. And certainly, in person will pick back up when safe to do so everywhere. We'll be keeping those in-person classes relevant to all of the education that needs to happen when we can see each other again. As I mentioned at the beginning of this message, John Paul Mitchell Systems has a standard of excellence when delivering education. You will be very pleased with the virtual classes that are delivered to your salon business just as you were when they're delivered in person. So jump on board, let's get you zooming and have some fun with us. You don't want to miss out.
Check out our digital education calendar on paulmitchellpro.com and get started on your learning journey. Bear with us, you'll love it.